Hey, what's up guys, my name is Ron. Today we have new access point to unbox. We have here Ruijie 6262G AX1800. This is the router. The first one I unboxed was AX3000, so that one was quite bigger than this one. So let's go ahead and see what is in the box. I've already cut the box open, so let me open the box. Let me do it like this so you also see what is inside this box. So in the box, if you open it, what you see here is obviously the warranty card. This is the warranty card, and also this is the manual for the router. So let's see what is inside apart from the manual. So let me bring out this. Ooh. This is just the protection cover. So this is the metal bracket for mounting it on a pole or anywhere you want to mount it. So it also comes with mounting screws and bolts for wall or anywhere you want to mount it. So this is also the mounting bracket in the box, right? And in the box, this is the main item we have. Let me put the box down. So as you can see how the shape looks like, this is Omni antenna. So I would say Omni access point. If I say Omni access point, what I'm trying to say is that it forms like a circle, right? We have directional antennas, like you can face it here and you can face it here and face it here, and it will shoot based on where you face the antenna. But this is Omni access point. So if you mount it like this, it's going to form like, you know, like the shape of the access point. So if your customers are behind it, in front, inside, you know, side by side, they will all still get access to the what do you call it, the access point. So this is Wi-Fi 6. So as you know, what Wi-Fi 6 can do, can transmit gigabyte speed from 5 gigabytes. You know, it can also handle about 500 customers at a time. You know, it's not really recommendable for that kind of load, but it can handle those kind of customers. And as you can see, it is also water resistant, so you can mount it where it is raining or shine. This thing will work like magic. So if you are running a Wi-Fi network or a hotspot and you have a remote area where your coverage is not really good, you can buy one of these and put it there. So one interesting thing about this access point is that if I want to mount it in a nearby access point which the range is not really strong, I don't need to use a bridge for, let's say, to bridge the network before I distribute with this one. This one has a built-in called, I would say, how do we say it? Maybe a mesh topology where it will mesh the new access point. It will take the signal and put it in and also convert the signal and put it out. So it is doing kind of a repeater, let's say a repeater, yes, a job of a repeater. You take the signal and then put it here and also distribute the same signal, and it will also repeat the signal in the area where the network access is not available. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. I've already installed one at the back of our building, and there's a customer here which their area is not really good. I want to go and install it there, so they can get access to it. If you tell customer to buy, they won't buy you, but unless you do the investment to buy, and then they can get access to your network and use it. So guys, get one for yourself if you are planning to set up a hotspot business, or maybe you are a school, or maybe any small business that you want to distribute your network around. This is one of the powerful device you can ever get. And one interesting thing, all the Reyee routers, they have lifetime management access online, which is the cloud platform. You can manage this router only and still get money from your customers. And also, let's say this is the only antenna or this is the only access point you have, you can manage only this in the cloud and still have internet access and still get money from people. So it is very, very good router, and I recommend it if you are planning for or doing this kind of business. And also, if you have a hotel or school which you want people to access the internet, but you want them to pay, right? You don't want them to access the internet for free. And also, even if you want them to access it for free, but you want to get their data, like their registration to before they get access, their phone number, their email, their information, you can do all that configuration in this particular access point. And also, for instance, let's say if you want them to click a link, then you register them in the network. There are unlimited access you can configure in this particular access point, if you have it on your network. So guys, this is Reyee 6262G AX1800 version. They have AX3000, that is quite expensive than this one. So if you need one, leave your comment below. I'll give you a plug. Thank you for watching. My name is Brown.